Hi, thanks for checking out this video. We're going to work on Green Tea by John Scofield. And so I'm just going to talk to you about how I've been playing it. I would definitely encourage you to check out live videos of him playing it and listen to it on the original A Go-Go album. All right, so we start out like this. So playing something like that, and then we're going to repeat that a few times, and then we're going to play this. Okay, and then we're going to go back, and then we play that again. Okay, and then we're gonna play, so I'm playing this open string, and then we play this. Okay, all playing on like an E7 there. And then we're gonna play trying to really get some of those open strings to overlap with the fretted notes that we're playing. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to what we started with there. Okay, and then we're gonna play this chord. Okay, we're gonna throw that in there. Play that, and then to end it we're going to play, okay, play that D7 sharp 9 into the E7 sharp 9. All right, well, let's try it out together. Thanks for checking out this video. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. If you need any additional help with this tune, be sure to get in touch with me. You can find out more about me in the description. We'll have a great practice session.